Good morning, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to another one of my favorite days, Tag It Tuesday. For today's tag, I am using, again, same thing that I used yesterday. So just in case you missed my post yesterday, I didn't do a video for it. I just wanted to show you really quick. I made this little shape card using the Stitch Chunky tag dies, which are back in stock, by the way. So basically I used the biggest one and then the second to the next one size. And all I did was I cut these out twice and I scored it and just adhered that part down. So this way you could go ahead and open it like a normal card. So I used this one yesterday. So I have this on my desk. I definitely wanted to take advantage and use it today, especially since I did have it in stock again, okay? So we're using that for our tag, but we're not using the bigger ones. We're using the second set right here, the middle set, I should say. So we're using that for our tag, along with my brand new A Sunny Hello kit, okay? So we're just going to do a simple tag, nothing too fancy. So basically here's all the little parts that I cut out. And let me grab. So we're going to go ahead and just put these together. We're going to go ahead and adhere the actual tag. And I want lots of layers today. So let me see if I find... Will this give it to me? No. Let me see something. How that would look directly on there. Or should I lift? Yeah, let's lift that piece there. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this right here. This is just the little pop-up tape. And then just get my little scissors. Just give these a little trim. And there we go. I kind of want to pop everything up on this tag today. So I don't want to put this too far up, only because I'm going to be making a hole and I'm not sure exactly where the hole is going to start, so we're going to kind of leave some empty area up there. Okay, so let's put that back away and let's go ahead and adhere this onto this piece right here. Alright, so let me go ahead, excuse my nails. Of course, I decided to do some yard work with a yellow nail, so I'm going to have to redo these. Okay, so let's go ahead and just kind of get this, line this up the best we can. Alright, there we go, like that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just kind of arrange this. Like, I don't want them directly on top of each other like this. I kind of want to arrange it out like a little fan. Do I want to do that? Let's see. And then put this on top of here. Let me see. Let's see. But I feel like that's just too plain. Maybe I'll keep the two. Okay, let's do that better. We're going to go ahead and layer this on top of here instead. Let me find the matching points first. Okay, these are the matching. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and get some adhesive on here. And I'm not going to put too much. This is permanent, so I feel confident using that. And I'm just going to kind of just, let's see, hopefully I get this correct here. Just put it like so, okay? And then before we put this I want to pop up. Before we do anything with this, I'm going to go ahead and, we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment on here. And it's going to say, hello, it's your day, shine brighter, okay? And I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I kind of did some measurements before on camera, And I marked 2 little pencil marks on where I wanted the actual, where I wanted the sentiment to actually be. So, and so we're going to start with the bottom part. This is going to say, it's your day, shine brighter. And I think that's perfect sentiment. So what I'm going to do, ink that up. And of course I'm using my favorite Ranger archival ink. So we are going to get this like there. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp hello right above that. There we go. Hello, it's your day, shine brighter. Let me put this away, and this is my favorite ink in the whole wide world. Okay, I wanted to get our little pop dots here. So we're going to go ahead and pop this guy up onto that. And before I actually turned back, when I was getting my pop dots, I actually erased those little marks. Remember, I put little pencil marks on where I wanted to, which obviously on the opposite side, where I wanted to stamp my sentiment. I went ahead and I erased those really quick, which were down here. And they were very faint, so you couldn't really see them, but I wanted to erase it. Because I wrote on it, making that my guideline of where I wanted my sentiment to be stamped. Okay, so we are going to put this right in the center. Okay. I'm wondering, I think I'm just going to put this directly down. I'm not going to pop that up. So let's just go ahead and just use our little tape render. Hopefully I didn't run out of tape. Okay. I think we get one more than this. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this right here. I'm going to kind of make it off to the side. Perfecto. Okay, so now, where's my twine? Okay, I have this twine here. So I'm going to go ahead, I don't want to put the hole here. I think I want to put the hole right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just grab a little pencil mark, and I think that looks like in the center good enough. So I'm just going to grab my little hole puncher. This is an old hole puncher, because I'm going through all my stuff and I'm finding all these goodies. This is, 1/16. It says it right there, 1/16 inch punch. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying to figure out, I want to make sure I line it up perfectly. So I'm going to line, because see where it says open, see that little hole right there? I'm going to line it up with the little pencil mark that I made there, just for some accuracy. If I could find it. There we go. There we go. Alright, that works. Okay, now I'm thinking maybe this might be too small, but we're going to try it anyway. What I really want to do is put both of them in, like I always do. So I'm just hoping that hole is big enough to do so. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and just put this through here without tearing the little hole. Okay, there we go. Just like that, I'll go ahead and just give this a little trim here. We're not losing it by much. I'm trying to think what is missing. Something is missing on here. I think we're going to go ahead and just throw some sequins on there. Or You know what? Maybe some little bling here. Let me find it really fast. So sorry everybody, I was putting on the little bling and I thought I turned the camera back on and I didn't. So all I did was I got, I found these again when I was cleaning up my room. I used the smaller bling here, and you could get these anywhere. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby. There's the little sticker blings, and they're perfect for just a small little area. And I think this is super sweet. This is just going to go, and this, you could give this to someone for a just because, or, you know, says it's your day, shine brighter. It could be a birthday. You could, I'm giving it to someone as a just because they haven't kind of been down lately. So I figure I'm going to connect this to something, a little gift for them. I think it came out really cute. I love the way it came out. So that is it, everyone. Don't forget to head on over to my blog at www.creativetimeforme.com to see what the rest of my amazing team has for you today. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here soon. Bye-bye.